Tarot cards have a rich history, originating as playing cards in the 15th century. They evolved into tools for divination and self-reflection over time. There are various types of tarot decks suitable for beginners, such as Rider-Waite-Smith and Thoth decks, each with unique symbolism and themes. It's crucial to trust your intuition when interpreting tarot card meanings, as your inner guidance plays a significant role in readings. Cultivating intuition enhances your connection to the cards and allows for more insightful interpretations. The shadow self represents the hidden, repressed aspects of our personality that we often deny or ignore. Embracing the shadow self involves acknowledging and integrating these darker qualities into our self-awareness, leading to profound personal growth and self-discovery. By confronting our shadow self, we can uncover valuable insights, heal past traumas, and cultivate greater self-acceptance. Common misconceptions about the shadow self include viewing it solely as negative or something to be feared, rather than an essential part of our psyche that holds transformative potential. Tarot cards serve as powerful tools for shadow work by providing symbolic imagery and archetypes that can illuminate hidden aspects of the psyche. When using tarot for shadow work, individuals can delve into their subconscious, confront suppressed emotions, and gain deeper self-understanding. A step-by-step guide to conducting a tarot reading for shadow work involves setting intentions, selecting a spread that focuses on shadow aspects, interpreting the cards in relation to personal shadows, and reflecting on the insights gained. Examples of tarot spreads tailored for shadow work include the Dark Mirror spread and the Hidden Truth spread. For beginners looking to incorporate tarot cards and shadow work into their spiritual practice, it's essential to start by exploring one card at a time, journaling about the insights gained, and seeking guidance from experienced practitioners. To continue their journey beyond this beginner's guide, individuals can deepen their understanding by studying tarot symbolism, practicing regular self-reflection, and participating in workshops or online forums dedicated to tarot and shadow work. Consistency, patience, and an open mind are key to unlocking the transformative potential of tarot cards and the shadow self.